Hello everybody, today we're going to see how to make a triangle in rows, and we're going to learn how to decrease in single crocheting. It's not difficult. We're going to start by making a 13 chains foundation row. That means that we're going to start by making a slip knot and 13 chains. If you don't know, or if you don't remember how to start crocheting, how to make a slip knot or the chains, you can see in my tutorial that you will find at the end of this video how to start crocheting and how to make the foundation chain, and you can also see the how to single crochet if you don't know always in the video the basic stitches that you will also find at the end of this video. Now we're going to make the 13 chains. Now we're going to make a row of made by single crochets. Now we're going to make a chain, and we're going to start decreasing. We're going to decrease the first and the last stitches, the first two stitches and the last two stitches. So if you don't know how to decrease, insert the hook in the stitch, pull a loop, keep it on the crochet. This is the single crochet decreasing. Then you insert the hook in the next stitch. Now we have three loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through the three loops. And now we're going to make now we're going to continue by making single crochet for the rest of the row until we arrive to the last two stitches, which we will have to decrease. Now we have to decrease, insert the hook into the stitch and pull a loop, keep the loop on the crochet hook, insert the hook in the next one and take pull a loop, keep the loop on the crochet. We now have three loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the three loops chain, and now we're going to make a row of single crochets. and now we're going to make a chain and turn the work, and now we're going to make 2 decreases during this row. So insert the hook for the first decrease, insert the hook into the stitch, pull out a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, keep the loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops. And now we are going to continue making the single crochet until the final 3 stitches of the row. Now we're going to decrease, insert the hook into the stitch and pull a loop, keep it on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull a loop, insert to the hook and keep it on the hook, and yarn over and pull the yarn through the 3 loops, a chain, and now another single crochet row. Now we're going to make a chain and another row of decreasing. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull a loop. Insert the hook, keep the loop on the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull a loop. Keep the loop on the hook. Yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops, and then single crochet until the last 2 stitches of the row. And here they are. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull a stitch and keep it on the hook. Insert the hook into the next one and pull a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through 3 loops. Now a chain, and we're going to make a single crochet row. And the chain, and now the decreasing row. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull out a loop, keep it on the hook, insert into the next one, pull a loop, keep it on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through 3 loops on the hook, single crochets. Now, and we're going to decrease, insert the hook into the stitch and pull a loop, keep it on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops, chain, and now a row of single crocheting. And now a chain and a decreasing row. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull a loop, keep it on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch and keep it, take a loop, keep it on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops, and again another decreasing. We have to decrease again, insert the hook and take a loop, and insert the hook into the next one, take a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops, a chain and a single crochet row now, and then again chain and a decreasing row. We have to decrease, insert the hook into the stitch and pick up a loop, insert the hook into the next one. We have now 3 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 3 loops, a chain and a single crochet, and the triangle is ready. As you can see, it was not difficult. Today we have learned how to make a triangle in rows and how to decrease when we single crochet. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.